Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve Bright White. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, ventilated rear seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7684.